We're finally getting into our lessons dealing with the specific types of entities. Starting off, we've got corporations, and our first corporation lesson is going to deal with forming the corporation. Makes sense logically, but also liquidation of those entities. So formation, liquidation, they kind of go hand in hand, which is why we kind of group them together. Let's see what our learning objectives are for the lesson. First, we want to calculate the realized and recognized gain for the owner and entity upon the formation of and liquidation of these business entities for tax purposes. The one good thing with this is that you may have had some experience with corporations in the sense of investing your money in the stock market and getting dividends, dealing with all of that. That's something that you can align with the knowledge you'll see here. For example, S Corp partnerships, odds are, statistically speaking, most of you have not had experience with that. I'm not saying I have either. I'm just saying that's just one difference. So we'll see. And as we go through, make those connections as much as you can with anything in real life, right? Try to connect it so you remember it better. We also want to compare the tax implications of liquidating distributions. Because we've got normal distributions, which are just dividends, but then we've got liquidating distributions if the company's winding down from different business entities. And lastly, we want to analyze the tax advantages and disadvantages in the formation of a new business entity. Like I said, all the way back when we dealt with the business structures, these definitely are going to have some of the same material, but if it does have the same material, it's something you should for sure know. That is, in and of itself, its own separate section, especially per the AICPA, all those business structures. For the corporations, forming them, what's the benefit of a corporation over others? That's something we're going to cover again as well here. Let's dive in and get started. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of cpa.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.